Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can save pictures from Pinterest. Well, it's a pretty straightforward process. All you have to do is launch your Pinterest app. Now, find the pin or the image that you want to save to your device. Let's say I want to save this picture which says riddles and if I want to keep it in my device for future, then I can just click on this three dots at the top right section and click on download image, and you will be given the pop-up that says image downloaded. So let's go ahead and check if we have it downloaded in our device, and there you are. We have this image successfully downloaded to our device. In this way, you can find all the inspiration or ideas that you are looking for and either save it in your device or save as pin in Pinterest itself. Now you know how to save pictures from Pinterest with much ease. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding saving pictures from Pinterest, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.